Hello everyone, Pandey is with you. And in today's video, we will analyze how to combine volumes with technical analysis and how to make money with their help. Sit back, like the video and be sure to watch it to the end, because I will tell you how you can get 50 bucks in your trading account. Let's start with the analysis of the currency pair Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. The first thing we pay attention to is the trend, which is directed downward. We see a diagonal resistance area from which the price has been pushed back several times, and now I expect the situation to repeat, because on the volumes we see the initiative goes to the sellers and accordingly we will have to open a deal to go down, which I did by switch to the pocket option. Let's now summarize what factors indicated a sell in this trade. First, it was a trend that was directed downward. The second is the resistance level to which the price approached and pushed away from it repeatedly. And the third factor indicating that the deal should be open on the fall is the volumes. They began to become red, and it means that the initiative is now with the sellers. On this basis, you need to pay attention to all of these factors in the analysis. If the chart is at a support or resistance level, if we plan to open a trade along the trend, and if the volumes match in color with the price direction, then with a high degree of probability, the trade will bring us profit. Well, if it's hard for you to understand all this, then be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel with free signals. I give test signals every day so the people can earn money with me and see my trading style with the team. I also have a closed Telegram channel where I trade and earn money every day with the team. How does trading take place? I say the currency pair, the direction where to open a deal, the time for which you need to open a deal, and after, I throw off the results. If you want to walk with me and earn money, then write me a personal message, I want to be a whip, using the link in the description under the video. Also, don't forget to enter the 50 bucks contest. All you need to do for this is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, write a comment under the video and register for pocket option using the link in the description under the video. And exactly in a week I will announce the winner of the contest who will receive 50 bucks on his trading balance, which you can withdraw or trade with them. Be sure to participate because you can be the winner. In the meantime, I told all you about this. My deal closed in a plus and I took $294 clean from this situation. I suggest not to hesitate and consider the next currency pair. Let's analyze the euro and the Canadian dollar. Here is a trend immediately evident, which is directed to its decrease. We have a resistance level from which the price has rebounded repeatedly, and now I'm counting on a repetition of this situation. Therefore, I switch to pocket option and open a short trade for 3 minutes. Be sure to accompany the deal on the lower 5-second time frame in order to observe everything in dynamics and be ready to put a knee. We use the knee if our deal goes the other way and we made a little mistake with the expiration time. It happens. To compensate for the minus, we open a deal for an amount twice as large as the first one, but in such a way that it closes simultaneously with the first deal. If you want me to tell you more about the overlap, then write about it in the comments. You know, in trading, the most important thing is to control your emotions. Here is a standard example of how a person drains his deposit. Everything's going well and we catch the minus. We think, well, it's okay. Let's move on to the next currency pair. Do an analysis, open a deal and again minus. We start to get nervous, we understand that we have already lost a certain amount that needs to be recaptured, and we find 100% situation. We open a deal for an amount more in order to serve those two more minuses and earn, but again minus. We start to rage. We make an incorrect analysis, and as a result, for 4 transactions, we drain the entire deposit. I'm sure a lot of people have. This is a problem for all novice traders, but a professional after the second minus will take a break, go for a walk, read a book, watch YouTube, or just spend time with the family. And then in the evening, he will sit down and close 10 successful deals. This is the secret of trading. Without passion, with a cool head to approach situations and know when to stop. If you want to learn to understand even more situations, analyze transactions, and get the maximum profit from this, then welcome to my team. To get there, just write me a private message. I want to be in the whip at the link in the description, and I will teach you how to make money on binary options. In the meantime, I told you all this. We get another plus in the piggy bank and suggest moving on the next currency pair. And let's start the analysis by fixing the trend and drawing a resistance area with which I plan to enter. We see a rebound from this level, and I look forward to a repeat of the situation. And yet not an unimportant factor is that the chart has broken through the diagonal resistance area, and most likely the buyers have run out of steam and the initiative will pass to the sellers. So I switch to a pocket option, open a 2-minute short trade, and move to a 5-second time frame to follow the trade. In the meantime, I'm accompanying the deal. I would like to remind you about the competition for $50. To participate, you need to register on Pocket Option using the link in the description under the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write a comment. And exactly 1 week later, in the chat with free signals, I will announce one winner in the contest who will receive $50 on his balance. So subscribe to Telegram too. After all, in addition to the results of competition, useful education information, there will be more free signals. I schedule trading hours every day from Monday to Friday, and you can work with me. I write a currency pair so that you can find it in a broker. Then I write the direction where to open a deal, then time for which to do it, and after the deal close, I send a screenshot of my results for you to compare. Well, after I give test signals to the free Telegram channel, I go to the VIP chat, where I give 8 more signals a day. To join this VIP chat, write me a private message. I want to be in VIP using the link in the description under the video, and learn how to make money on binary options with me and my team. Some people from chat make $500 a day. It all depends on your deposit. In trading, there are such concepts as money management. As an example, if your deposit is $100, then according to the correct money management, you should trade at 2% of the amount of your deposit. So one trade equals $2. Over time, you will be able to increase the percentage of one transaction, as I do, and trade plus minus 5% of the deposit. But such percentages are already for more experienced traders. For a beginner, I recommend starting with 1 or 2%. And of course, the larger your deposit, then greater your income. If you have a deposit of $1,000, then you're already trading for $20 and the profit from one transaction is much higher. But the risks are the same as when trading with $100. If you understand the logic, then like this video. Well, while I was telling all this, the deal came to its logical conclusion. I made $871 in 6 minutes of trading. If you want the same, then be sure to write me a personal message. I want to be in VIP and start earning with the Panda? Well, I'll go trade with the team. All links to join the team is in description.